शोध भारत का और बातें भारत की। एंशियंट इंडियन विजडम फॉर बेटर वर्ल्ड टुमारो। Bhishma School of Indic Studies is having the basic aim of spreading Indian knowledge system across India as well as across the globe. Krunvantu Vishwam Aryam and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is the basic foundation of Bhishma project. Namaste, I am Professor Kshitij Patukle, Founder Director of Bhishma School of Indic Studies, Pune. Today I am going to introduce you about what is the Bhishma School of Indic Studies. Actually, Bhishma is a short form of one organization named as Shri Bhagwan Vedavyas Itihas Sanshodhan Mandir. It was established in 1976 at Thane in Maharashtra near Mumbai by late Dr. Shripad Dattatray Kulkarni. Shripad Dattatray Kulkarni, with the help of lot of historians and academicians in Indian knowledge systems, he took a great project of rewriting Indian history. His real aim was to write the true Indian history and true Indian culture. The whole Bhishma project was blessed by the Param Acharya of Kanchi Koti Shankaracharya Pitham. It was also supported and kindly blessed by Sri Satya Sai Baba. So he did lot of research with some eminent personalities with him across the country from various states of India. And in next 20-25 years, he edited and wrote more than 18 volumes which are giving the real history of India. So it starts from maybe perhaps few thousands and few lakhs years. सृष्टि का जन्म कैसे हुआ है, वहां से लेकर पहले मनु के काल से, स्वयंभू मनु के काल से लेकर उन्होंने आज तक 2000 ईस्वी सन 2000 तक का जो भारत की संस्कृति और इतिहास है उसका अभ्यास करके उन्होंने 18 ग्रंथ जिनके पेजेस 7000 से भी ज्यादा पेजेस लिखकर उन्होंने उसको पब्लिश किया. And the total there are 18 volumes. They are published in English language and in Marathi language. Now the Hindi is in process and soon they will be available in Hindi also. The board of mentors includes eminent personalities in India and abroad. Swami Govind Dev Giri, who is a trustee of Shri Rama Janmabhoomi Trust Ayodhya. Shri Rajiv Malhotra, who is founder of Infinity Foundation in USA. Dr. Ravindra Kulkarni, who is an eminent mathematician and founder of RC Trust in New York. Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, who is a chancellor of Nalanda University. Dr. Milind Sathe, who is an advisor of Hindu Council of Australia. Dr. Vasant Shinde, who is ex-vice chancellor of Deccan College, Pune, which is the biggest archaeological college in India. Dr. Bhagyalata Pataskar, who is director of Vedic Sanshodhan Kendra, and many such eminent personalities and experts in this field are the members of board of mentors of Bhishma School of Indic Studies. भीष्म प्रोजेक्ट का एक अगला रूप यह था, डॉक्टर रविंद्र श्रीपाद कुलकर्णी, who is the son of late Dr. Shripad Dattatray Kulkarni, who is the founder of Bhishma project. So he is an eminent mathematician and the youngest PhD holder from the Harvard University, America. So with help of the Swami Govind Dev Giri Maharaj, he started honoring the scholars across the globe who are working in the field of Indian knowledge system and Indic studies. So Bhishma Puraskar has been given to eminent personality like Acharya Balakrishna of Patanjali, Raju Malhotra from Infinity Foundation USA, Swami Vamadeva Shastri, that is a David Frawley from USA. The next stage of Bhishma project is offering various academic courses. So Bhishma School of Indic Studies was established a couple of years back, and it is having a support of more than 300 scholars in Indic studies, scholars in Sanskrit, scholars in ancient Indian literature, scholars in ancient Indian history, etc., etc. So with this a group of eminent scholars, and who are not only scholars but they are really interested in revitalizing the Indian knowledge system. भारतीय दृष्टि से भारतीय इतिहास और परंपरा और संस्कृति का अध्ययन करना, यह जिनका जीवन का ध्येय है, ऐसे विद्वान, ऐसे ज्ञानी और ऐसे प्राध्यापक लोगों के साथ में इकट्ठा हो गए भीष्म स्कूल ऑफ इंडिक स्टडीज ने ये ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज शुरू किए. इन कोर्सेज में वी आर हैंडलिंग वेरियस फील्ड्स, वेरियस sectors of Indian knowledge system. We have launched courses like study of ancient Indian literature, study of ancient Indian science and technology, study of art and architecture in ancient India, study of Vedanga and Darshana, study of Purana, study of Aryan identity, etc., etc. So the basic aim and objective of Bhishma School of Indic Studies is to create awareness about true and real history about India in Indians in India and across the globe. Basically, we wish to educate youth. We are the youngest country of the youth today in the world, but this youth is puzzled. They are not aware about what the great heritage, कौन सी बहुत समृद्ध और सामर्थ्यशाली धरोहर कि हम वारस है, उसके हम वंशज है, इसके बारे में आज की यंग पीढ़ी को कुछ मालूम नहीं है, युवा पीढ़ी को कुछ मालूम नहीं है. ये उन्हें मालूम होना चाहिए. वो संभ्रम में फंसे हुए, उनको सही ज्ञान होना जरूरी है. इस उद्देश्य से ये अलग अलग कोर्सेज का हम लोगों ने डिजाइन किए. अभी हम लोगों ने एक एक महीने के कोर्सेज लॉन्च किए हैं. वी आर सून लॉन्चिंग 6 months सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट diploma courses of 1 year duration each. All these 6 month certificate courses and diploma courses will commence from July 2021. Lot many universities in the country as well as academic councils in the country are approaching us, and we are working with them together to develop curriculum and syllabus and course structure in various streams of the Indian knowledge system. The courses offered by Bhishma School of Indic Studies, they are being accredited by international agency like IAC, DSC. The long form of this accreditation council is International Accreditation Council for Dharma School and Colleges. And our certification provided by Bhishma School of Indic Studies is having international validity. So our courses are having international certification. That is one of the additional advantage for these courses. In future, there are huge potential. There are a lot of career opportunities. There are a lot of research opportunities. There are a lot of professional opportunities, and very importantly, there are a lot of business opportunities related to Indian knowledge systems and Indic studies. So therefore you will find that these opportunities are there in academic level, in the opportunities are there in tourism industry, in media industry, in research industry, etc., etc. So I urge each and every person who is listening, who is watching this video, to kindly visit the website www.bhishmaindex.org. You will get the whole details of courses and curriculums offered by us. We are also very much eager to work with similar institutions, colleges across the country who are interested to develop this system of Indian knowledge system and Indic studies. The basic aim A Bhishma School of Indic Studies and Bhishma Project is strengthening the roots of India, strengthening the Indian knowledge system, and spreading this knowledge across the country, especially among the youth, and strengthening our country and developing India again as Vishwaguru across the globe. Namaste.